My name is Rita.
Hi, this is Hiba.
Hello, Dr. Miriam. Here with us is Dr. Veronica and Dr. Sonia. Have you attended the SRRNet conference before? And I'd like to know about your experience there, if you can share it with us.
I have attended 4 conferences so far. It's always a pleasure to attend the SRRNet conferences.
Yes, actually, I did last year in Madrid. It's a very nice conference. It was my first conference ever.
Yeah.
And it's not going to be the last. Yeah.
It was a fantastic experience.
I've attended many CSR conferences. Some of the presentations by some of the researchers who come to the conferences are actually engaged in socially responsible projects.
The time I was in SRRNet conference which was organized in Portugal. Also Barcelos, very exciting place, amazing.
Attending this conference, SRRNet conference, is fantastic because we got to learn from experts. We can share ideas and meet people who care about the same issues. And additionally, it is a great opportunity to make friends and to review some friends and to collaborate with others and to make the world a better place for all of us.
I learned a lot from people. See, you have people from different sectors, from different places. Each one says from their experiences, and amazing researchers were presented there. So yeah, I loved it.
The first conference with me in Buxton, where I met Shala and David, and we have been friends ever since, as well as meeting other researchers.
Researchers who are doing this are from many parts of the world, from Spain and Portugal right through to Ecuador and Brazil.
It is a community. They have a network of people. They've been together for almost 20 years right now.
Exactly.
And to be a part of them, this will be amazing, yeah.
You always have this feeling inside that you are now among the socially responsible people, and they are so kind in communication, in different cultural approaches, in different fields of research regarding social responsibility. So this is like a big set of best people over the world who are interested, in different aspects of social responsibility around the world, in different fields. So that's amazing.
New researchers who may be feeling a bit nervous about their work, it's a very good place for them to go because it's warm, it's friendly, and people can get really good advice about their research and the direction it can take.